Phi Phi Island is one of those magical and quintessential tropical islands of Southeast Asia. It is easily accessible by boat from either Krabi or Phuket for a day trip, or you can choose to stay for a few days to immerse yourself fully in Thailand's natural paradise. To get here, take a boat from Krabi's Klong Jirat Pier or the Rasada Pier of Phuket, which costs around 450 baht per person. After around 1.5 to 2 hours journey, you will reach the Tonsai Pier of the Phi Phi Island. There are several things to do and see, starting from partying all night, snorkeling in crystal clear Andaman Sea, hiking, or just relaxing in one of the many beautiful beaches. The Phi Phi Island tour should be on the top of your list of things to do. You can book this trip directly from your hotel or any other boat companies in the island. After you are picked up from your hotel, first you will be visiting the shark point. Here you can snorkel in open seas with tons of fishes, and if you are lucky, you can even see some sharks. Next you will be visiting the nearby Koh Phi Phi Lee Island to see the rest of the attractions of this trip. Located on the northeastern side of the island, Viking Cave owes its name to the paintings found on the walls of the cave, which represent various types of boats including a Scandinavian jacquard. Next you will visit the stunningly beautiful small inlet, Pile Lagoon. It has the most crystal clear azure waters you may have ever seen. Then we move to the islet of Losama Bay, where you can snorkel in the open sea surrounded by these massive cliffs.
Hey guys, now we are going towards Maya Bay.
Maya Bay is the famous beach from Leonardo DiCaprio's film The Beach, but nowadays it is closed for tourists as the Thai government is trying to recover the delicate ecosystem of the bay. And the final stop of this trip is the 150 meters long strip of white sands at the Monkey Beach. After this trip, come back to the Tonsai Pier, and here you will find lots of cheap clothing or souvenir shops. Next, head for the Phi Phi viewpoint, which is around 20 to 30 minutes of walk. From viewpoint number 1, the view is good, but I recommend you to hike for a little bit more to reach the viewpoint number 2 to get the best panoramic view of the dumbbell-shaped bay area. Let's discuss accommodation now. There are plethora of hotels, high-end resorts or hostels available, which you can choose based on your budget. Most of the resorts are situated on the northeast of this island, which is accessible only by long-tail boats from the Tonsai Pier. We chose to stay at Phi Phi Relax Beach Resort at the Phak Nam Bay, and it took us a 20 minutes of boat ride to reach this amazing resort. We spent our whole evening relaxing in the resort's private beach, but if you are a party person, it's better to stay near the Tonsai Pier so that you can take part at the numerous beach parties. November to March is the best season to visit these islands as the weather is much cooler. But other seasons has their pros and cons too, so check out this chart and plan accordingly. Finally, let's finish this video with some information on diving. Phi Phi Island has many options for underwater diving. We planned ours with Barracuda Dive Center located in the Tonsai village, but we got seasick just before the day of the dive. The amazing people of Barracuda were kind enough to give us full refunds, so do check them out if you are interested in diving. So that's it guys, do let me know in case of any queries in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.